G'day, this is the last video in the vibration series, I think. Thank you for all your suggestions, they've been much appreciated. I just don't have the enthusiasm to carry out all the suggestions. I wanted to establish if 4000 RPM compared to the normal 3000 RPM was going to harm my lathe. Using the Vibroscope 4.1 app on my iPad for vibration measurement, it has been a bit of an adventure. 1. I found a better position for my chuck on the spindle. 2. Replaced chuck retaining screws that did not weigh the same. 3. Proved that toss put the jaws in the best balanced position. 4. I'm quite happy that I'm not damaging the lathe. I'm happy to leave it at that, and I'm going to leave it there. Here I'm making a part at 3000 RPM and one at 4000 RPM. With 250 parts to make and saving an hour in machine time, 4000 RPM wins. This is a part at 3000 RPM. You can see the vibrations on the graph are not doing that much. It's a fairly small scale readout, but I'm still fairly happy with it. This is 3000 RPM, and to me it doesn't change that much at 4000 RPM. If you're wondering why a guy with a turret would set this job up with a boring bar, I originally set it up to be done by someone else who doesn't have a turret, and somehow wound up doing the job myself. But that's alright, I don't mind using gang tooling. Now this is 4000 RPM, and to me there's not that much change in the graphics or the graph. That bit of blank was a little bit on the long side. When I start making the 250, I will have to try checking them all for length as I'm putting them in. It's easy enough to do, you just stand some of them up and put them together and see what sort of length they are. That one would certainly have showed up. I have made it so that when the tool comes in it doesn't dash in too early, so it can handle a bit of different length. This is just a still of the 3000 RPM part happening, and this is of the 4000 part happening. Thank you for watching.